bunch of these wires are fresh out of the Honda. Pulled the whole system out. They've been in there a long time. Back when I used to solder every single zero gauge. Now I crimp them because it's a lot faster, and crimping is awesome as long as it's done right. Curious just how good were my old school solder joints. Let's cut one in half and see. As you can see, they're all really clean and consistent. It's pretty solid all the way to the wire pretty much. So these are never going to go anywhere, I don't think. It looks pretty. That is about 6,000 strands turned into one solid block. I would say that's a pretty solid solder job. Look at that. About as solid as it comes right there. I could probably drill a hole in this and tap it and put a screw in it. Almost guaranteed. What's the wire look like? Let's see that. Put this off the can. This is the wire side. As solid as being inside the ring terminal. This is not inside the ring terminal anymore. This is all the way out. So these solder joints are obviously really pretty. You can see it right there. Solid, clean, nice. But you don't just make a nice little puddle on the top. This has got to be saturated. So even though the first one was beautiful, we're going to do another one just to test consistency. I just reach into the pile and grab this one. This is a negative. Same thing, 5,900 plus strands. You can see how solid it is. But man, that got hot. It had a little bit of smoke happening while I was cutting it. Let's clean these up just a little bit more. Take the little burrs and stuff off of it. You know what? That's pretty clean. I might have to hit that with some 200, some 400, some 600. I mean, that's a straight plug right there, boy. Yeah. Some 240. I think I got some 300 in there somewhere. Little wet sanding. Take the burrs off the rest of the way. See, I'm getting at something. You're going to find out here in a second if you make it to the end of the video. I'm getting at something here. This might not be the last one. Little piece of 320. Move her up the line. We'll do 400. I'm gonna bust out some 400. 1500. Hey, real quick, keep this. That's solder. That's 5,900 strands soldered in a lug that was in the Honda.
Solid.
They're almost all going to be like that, I'm sure. So, you know, had to sand this thing down to about 1,500 and then polish it. Make kind of a cool little keychain for somebody. Next question is, who wants it? Leave a comment in the comment section, and you know what? Ain't no contest. I'm just gonna choose some random person that says they really want it, and they'll actually put it on their keychain. So let me know where you're from, and let me know that you'd put that on your actual keychain, and I might send it to you. I got a ton more over here. I could even do more of them if it's something that you guys might want. I even still got this box full of the same thing from the Tahoe. So we can have some fun with this. You guys like keychains? You guys like relics from projects of the past? I might start whipping some of them up and giving them away. And with that and that, I'm out of here.